What's going on, B Nation? Hope you guys are doing fabulous. So, vegan lifestyle. Some people might come to the vegan lifestyle for their health, for the animals, for the planet, whatever the reason may be. It's all good with me. Now, I've been getting quite a few comments from my subscribers that they've been vegan for a while and their health has not really improved that much. So I wanted to talk about that today, and I'm going to come out with a lot more on different types of diets, like the keto diet. And you know, we can look at certain diets out there, and really you can find something with all of them where they're not perfect. So with the vegan lifestyle, I want to talk about my own experience, because I really relate to you guys out there that have been vegan for a while and your health issues are not really improving. So about over 4 years ago, I became vegan and went to the vegan lifestyle and noticed my health issues really improved because I cut out dairy, I cut out meat, processed meats, and you know what, my skin really cleared up from taking out the dairy and a lot of the processed foods and junk foods I was eating that had dairy in them. And so my health issue really improved at that time. But over the years, I kind of got steered off and went into more of the vegan processed food and junk foods. And it's easy to do because you want to experience that, you want to taste that, you know, you just kind of want to have fun sometimes. So I got kind of tied up in that aspect, and then I also started eating the processed protein bars. And so I really dove into all this processed protein and even doing a lot of soy isolate. And then I started getting ovarian cysts. And I was wondering what's going on here. So I came to vegan for health, and now I'm not getting health. And so if you come initially to the vegan lifestyle for health and you're not getting health, that may steer you off and you may try something completely different. And that's what I did. I went in the opposite direction, and then that didn't really help me out either. And so this video is for you. If you came to the vegan lifestyle purely for health and you're not getting that, I can understand why you may want to turn away. But I feel like the vegan lifestyle is really a great stepping stone to get you off of the meat, to get you off of the dairy, these proteins that are hard to digest. It takes a long time to digest on the system. And so really I look at the vegan lifestyle as a stepping stone to just on the way to improve your health. But if you get tied up in like the processed food, the junk food, then you may not see any health improvement. So what I like to do is, that has helped me, is really stick to whole food, plant-based, and really stick to as close to nature as possible. Right off the vine, right off the trees, like fresh fruits, leafy greens, berries, grapes, whole foods from nature, and as minimally as processed as possible. Now, of course, sometimes you may want to indulge yourself, and that's fine, but it's not what you do occasionally, it's what you do consistently on a day-to-day basis. So what has really helped me improve my skin, eliminate ovarian cysts, if you've been following me, I've been into detoxification and really just keeping it clean, cleansing the body, giving it some time to heal, and really just work on regeneration of the tissues and the cells, and elimination too. A lot of us have a lot that we may be carrying around. We may not even realize it, and it's really about eliminating. And so exercise and all that's really important too, but your diet is by far the most important aspect that you can change in terms of your health. So I like to keep it whole food, plant-based. I also like to at least do 50 to 80% raw food. And even, the raw food lifestyle, you can get caught up in the processed you know, processed foods as well. And so you can see how every diet almost always comes back to just keeping it whole, keeping it clean, and as minimally as processed as possible. So when I talk about raw, I'm talking about even just raw whole foods. So lots of whole grapes, monomeals of, say, bananas or berries, any type of fruit, any type of vegetable, even doing like some juices or smoothies. Keeping it so clean. But I feel like going raw has really improved my health. And you know, when you just start giving the body fresh fruits and vegetables, foods that it's designed to eat, then the body will just start naturally working with you and start working as it's designed. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing at least 80% raw, and some people may say, how can you do that? Well, it's pretty simple when you just, you know, stick to eating monomeals of fruit, say for breakfast. You may do a smoothie for lunch, or, you know, a berry bowl, or maybe even a salad. And then for dinner, you may want to do like some steamed veggies, or even like a warm soup. Now that it's summertime, it's a little bit easier to get in the raw foods. So, you know, you can do a big salad at night, you know, play around with it, see what works for you. But I'll be coming out with a lot more meals on what is helping me stay clean, keep that skin clean, and, you know, keeping that health at top notch. So for me, health is #1 priority. And so I'm finding just whole food, plant-based, keeping it minimally processed and staying away from the soy. For me, soy just doesn't agree with my body. I was getting into like the veggie dogs and the protein bars, so soy was just not interacting well with my body. And yeah, if it's working for you, that's great, but for me, it was just a no-go. So thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully this video helps you out. A lot more to come. I'm gonna have a lot more recipes to come out to help you guys. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'm gonna have a Q&A coming up soon again. I know you guys like those ones. So as always, be alkaline, be your beautiful self, and be getting in some grapes today. Cheers.